1. Sequence databases, NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, a comprehensive resource with GenBank, nucleotide sequences, PubMed, biomedical literature, protein sequences, and many more. BLAST, a powerful tool for sequence similarity searches. EMBLEBI, European Bioinformatics Institute, offers similar resources to NCBI, including UniProt, protein sequences and annotations. UniProt, a curated database of protein sequences and functional information. 2. Genome browsers, UCSC Genome Browser, a visual representation of genomes, allowing users to explore genes, annotations, and variations. Ensemble, another popular genome browser with a focus on vertebrate genomes. NCBI Genome, provides access to genome assemblies and annotations. 3. Gene Expression Analysis, GEO, Gene Expression Omnibus, a public repository for high-throughput functional genomics data. ArrayExpress, a similar repository to GEO, hosted by EBI. R/Bioconductor, a powerful open-source software platform for bioinformatics analysis, with many packages for gene expression analysis. 4. Protein Structure Databases, PDB, Protein Data Bank, a repository of 3D structures of biological macromolecules. RCSB PDB, the US-based partner of the Worldwide Protein Data Bank. 5. Pathway Databases, KEGG, Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genes and Genomes, a database of biochemical pathways, linking genomes to higher-order functional units. Reactome, a curated knowledge base of biological pathways and processes. 6. Phylogenetic Analysis, phylogeny.fr, a web server for phylogenetic analysis, providing tools for multiple sequence alignment and tree construction. MEGA, Molecular Evolutionary Genetics Analysis, a user-friendly software for phylogenetic analysis. 7. Metagenomics Tools, MGRAST, a metagenomics analysis server for analyzing microbial communities. Chyme2, an open-source bioinformatics platform for microbiome data analysis. 8. Other useful resources, Galaxy, a web-based platform for performing bioinformatics analyses without needing to install software. Bioconductor, a collection of open-source software packages for bioinformatics analysis. R, a powerful statistical programming language widely used in bioinformatics. Python, another popular programming language with many libraries for bioinformatics, e.g. BioPython.